अरे पासिंग करू नका रे बाबानो.
अरे स्टॉप प्लीज.
अरे यार
तो हैदराबाद नीचे कर, बड़ा हाथ नीचे कर एक मिनट.
मैम इधर मैम लुक हियर.
यस दिस कैमरा NX100.
हाँ थोड़ा लेफ्ट 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 में. बस मैम. वेट. अरे बस ना आता. मैम वेट मिनिट.
मैम वेट मैम.
अरे काय एवढी घाई.
लेफ्ट साइड मैम.
बेटा यही चलेगा.
यही चलेगा.
थैंक यू.
इधर. ओ एक नंबर. अरे हाथ.
अरे
फ्लैश नहीं गिरा भाई.
इधर. पासिंग करू नका रे बाबानो. वेट मिनिट.
लेफ्ट साइड
यही चलेगा.
थैंक यू.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जानना चाहेंगे कि शो काफी अच्छा वर्क कर रहा है, काफी ज्यादा पसंद कर रहा है केमिस्ट्री. हर दिन की जो नोकझोंक हो रही है उसे भी काफी इंजॉय कर रहे हैं. आप पर क्या बताना चाहेंगे, कितना ज्यादा मजा आ रहा है क्लास लेके चेंज?
Well, it's a bittersweet feeling. You know, 2 साल और अपनी जर्नी मैंने पिछली कास्ट के साथ शुरू करी थी, तो जो मैंने ग्रोथ उनके साथ देखी, जो मेमोरीज बनाई, सो आई ऑलवेज मिस देम. बट लाइक आई से दैट देयर इज़ अ न्यू फ्रेशनेस एंड अ न्यू टच टू द शो विच इज़ अमेजिंग. आई थिंक एक यंग वाइब है, एक देयर इज़ अ लाइट हार्टेडनेस, सो वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन शूटिंग एंड आई होप द व्यूअर्स एंजॉय इट.
शहर और राजवीर को लेकर काफी चर्चा बनी है. पहले उनकी केमिस्ट्री काफी अलग थी, अब थोड़ा उनकी केमिस्ट्री अलग होती जा रही है.
Yeah.
What is your take on that? वो जो छोटी-छोटी चीजें होती हैं और राजवीर का जिस तरह से दिखाया जाता है बात, तो किस तरह से आपके लिए भी होता है जब वो चीजें सामने आती है, स्क्रिप्ट में आती हैं चीजें?
Well, I think the best part is that they are very good friends, and I think किसी भी relationship की बुनियाद अगर friendship हो तो the foundation is very strong. So I love the fact that they care about each other, and it's more than love, it's friendship, and let's see, hopefully love shall bloom soon.
और आज की अवार्ड की नाइट के बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Well, I feel very excited. I feel very good. It's after so long amidst COVID that we are able to pull this off. And yeah, I'm just very excited for the night.
काफी स्टनिंग लग रही है about the dress. लोग पूछना चाहेंगे about the dress.
Yes, so I've been styled by Janvi, and I like the fact that it's chic and it's very electric and it's kind of like me. Well, it's a privilege in itself कि nomination हुआ है, and I hope and keep my fingers crossed that I get to take it back home as well. Rest, let's see. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Yeah.
ज्योति.
पहले डिसाइड अब नहीं हिलूंगी मैं. हाँ, कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है ऐसे रील्स पहनने के लिए. अच्छा लुक है मैम. सेंटर लुक. नो, आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर.
Okay, so you are already an iconic face. So what do you say about it? How excited are you for this award function?
Firstly, I want to say thank you. Nobody's ever called me iconic. So, yay, thanks. Well, you know, it's not been too long since I've stepped into the industry. मैं अभी भी अपना पहला शो ही कर रही हूँ. And on Instagram, you always see these award functions happening. And I remember very nicely that in my first year, obviously मुझे nomination नहीं मिला था, मेरे शो को कुछ महीने हुए थे, and I had seen, you know, this award function happening, all the TV celebs were there, and I was just like, wow dude, like I also want to be a part of this, and I hope I am, you know, one always aspires, क्योंकि I think आप जो भी काम करते हो अपनी लाइफ में, आप उसी चीज़ के लिए, अगर आप अपनी यू नो काम को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा पैशनेट होते हैं, सो यू ऑलवेज वांट टू सक्सीड. एंड from that in 2019 to now, I think it's been a great journey.
And also the show जब से शुरू हो गया तब से like लोग आपको कितना पसंद कर रहे हैं, काफ़ी अच्छा चल रहा है, तो आपके fans.
Well, God has been very, very kind, and I just feel that wherever you belong, you know, people, you always find that place. So बहुत खुशी की बात ये लगती है मुझे कि इन कुछ सालों में मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. मैंने अपने लोज, अपने हाइज, सब कुछ यहाँ देखे हैं. एंड इफ़ आई एम टुडे समथिंग, इट्स बिकॉज of the love that I've received from my fans and the viewers. So I'm always grateful for that.
Okay, so apart from pandemic, talking about this last 2 years, this 2 years has been a great year for you. As an कलाकार की मैं बात करूँ, काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे गए हैं आपके. So when you get compliment like this, how does it feel?
Of course, like I said, you know, it's very, very motivating. It's very encouraging. You know, just to be appreciated by people around you, not just your fans, but people who work around you, people who are a part of the industry. I think everybody likes that slight motivation once in a while, and it only pushes you to do better. So yeah, it's pushed me to do better with each passing day.
So as today in this award function, you're like all dressed up in white.
Yeah.
And white stones. So what do you have to say about your outfit?
Well, you know, I always end up in gowns. So my stylist was like, nothing doing. And I was like, okay, let's, you know, and I'm someone who actually loves wearing cocktail dresses because I feel it complements my body type really well. I used to be called Miss Long Legs back when I was in school and in college. So I said, you know, like I thought that why not? And besides, I feel that the look that I'm carrying today is classy. At the same time, I feel it's very cool. It's in a very chill space, and I feel it kind of resonates with my personality. And I love white. I think white makes everyone look pretty.
Also, apart from this show, anything, any project you've been working on, and anything is in your kit?
Well, to be honest, like I think 2022 is going to be an exciting year when it comes to work, because I feel like I'll finally be doing things, you know, apart from this show. So I am looking forward to that, but of course, announcements shall be made in due time.
And also Christmas और New Year भी आ रहा है, तो
जी.
shooting ही काम ही करना है, plans भी है.
Well, I fly to Dubai in the next 2 hours and I'm spending time with my family, so I'm excited for that. So Christmas is going to be fun. And 31st, of course, like always, you know, I prefer to work because I remember जब मैंने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन करी थी तो मेरे सीनियर ने मुझे कहा था कि अपना बर्थडे और साल का आखिरी दिन काम करना चाहिए. हर साल ऐसा होता है. And I don't know why, it just stuck with me and it's been like that ever since.
Okay, so 2020, 2021 has been a great year for you. How you are looking forward for 2022?
I'm all pumped for 2022. I feel like I feel very grateful for this year. You know, despite the pandemic, despite if I have to say, you know, the starting of the year wasn't that great for me personally, because I wasn't very good. I didn't feel that great mentally. So if I see all of that and I see my growth, you know, from where I felt anxious, I felt depressed, to seeing a psychiatrist and to not know why I was feeling so hollow in the beginning of the year, to cut to now working on myself personally and professionally also, I just feel a lot of gratitude, and I can't wait to, you know, see what lies ahead.
And also lastly, how grateful and thankful you are to your fans that you are watching the show and love you so much.
Well, I always say this, that an actor is because of his or her fans. You know, अगर आज दर्शक मुझे देख रहे हैं, वो मुझे पसंद करते हैं, इसलिए मेरे पास काम है. So yeah, like I just know that if I am where I am today, it's because of their love. So I'm very, very grateful for that. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
मैडम यहाँ पे भाई थोड़ा पीछे ले लो ना.
Seraj hashtag literally. I don't know what all they come up with. Yeah. आप बताओ आप कितने एक्साइटेड हो हमसे मिलके. So हम इतने एक्साइटेड थे that we quite literally we just finished our work और ऐसे आए हम लोग कि you know cologne and एकदम I still smell of hairspray, so that's how excited I was. और हम किसी तरह से वहाँ पे finally पहुँच गए. So I'm very glad that we are here and very glad to be a part of this event.
Okay, so are you nominated for any award?
Absolutely, we both are nominated and that's
And it's Maya's first nomination, so we are like pretty pumped. Go Choti Sonani.
Okay, ma'am. So Choti Sadhna is doing really well. People loves you. So उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहोगे?
बहुत ही लॉयल फैन फॉलोइंग है हमारी एंड इट्स बिन एक्सेप्टिंग, इट्स बिन वेरी ट्रू और इतना प्यार मिल रहा है, चाहे इंस्टाग्राम पे देखो, किसी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे देखो या directly the numbers that we are getting. It's been such a big blessing and just happy, very happy.
Adding to that, I would just say that, you know, Choti I feel has it's a household name, it's a brand name in itself, and one can only be grateful कि thank you कि you know आप दर्शकों ने हमें इतना प्यार दिया है. शो को 700 एपिसोड होने वाले हैं, हम लीड देख चुके हैं, हमारे पास नया हीरो भी आ चुका है, उसका नॉमिनेशन भी हो गया है. So you know it's just onwards and upwards और ये सब कुछ सिर्फ आपकी दुआओं और आपके प्यार की वजह से.
Okay, so Christmas is coming up. So आप दोनों का क्या plan है Christmas?
See, Christmas is coming, which is why I'm wearing green today. You know, I'm celebrating and I'm in festive vibes already. मुझे शायद क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करने को ना मिले बिकॉज मैं काम करती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा, बट दैट्स व्हाई आई एम वेयरिंग ग्रीन टुडे.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.